Hi, like what I have told you, now with my family, we are heading to India. I applied our e-visa online for free and it is for 30 days. So if you have questions, you can refer to my old video. I have shown you how to apply. From Phuket, we're gonna fly to New Delhi and it's January, so it's gonna be winter. So it's our first winter together in India. So I asked my parents to wear jacket because we don't know what is the temperature and for sure it's gonna be cold. And Namaste India, here we are! So I met my friends in New Delhi airport because they are from the Philippines. Actually, they had a layover in Vietnam, so we met there for the first time after a few years and we are so excited to see each other and we're gonna tour around India. So this is us learning how to use the facilities in our hotel because really it's so cold. Imagine 5 degrees and it's our first time. We cannot live with it without warm water. Oh my goodness. Indian hotels are so cute because in their bathroom they always have this bucket plus the tub we call in the Philippines. Day 1 in India. So we book a cab going to the Lotus Temple in India. So the Lotus Temple is like the upper house in Australia. Just the structure, but this Lotus Temple is a house of worship. You see it's sunny but it is also cold. That's why we are still wearing our jacket. The structure is beautiful and the flowers are blooming as well. And now I'm showing to my friends there are some lemon trees here. It's our first time seeing them. Now we're going into the temple barefooted, as you can see. Next we went to Baragumbad and this is their park. Next we went to Akshardham temple, so taking videos and photos are not allowed there, so I just took a photos of us on the street and going back to our hotel. They enjoyed the show at Akshardham temple and of course the structure in there. Sadly we cannot take videos and photos for souvenirs. Day 2 in India and this is the most awaited part. So we are going to the Taj Mahal. So from New Delhi we are going to Agra by cab. So we just book a cab from our hotel. It'll be a long journey from New Delhi, so we are expecting 3 to 4 hours. So we will see how it goes because of the traffic as well. As you can see, it is very foggy on the road and it's winter, right? So the smog is too much here in India, so that's why we always wear our mask because it is not good for our respiratory system. Now we arrive at Taj Mahal and you can see the monkeys. There's a lot of monkeys here, by the way. And we have our tour guide here, so we booked him to guide us and it will be easier for us to get inside because it is winter time and there's a lot of people. My parents are wearing their Indian outfits and also my friends, and they are holding hands because there's really a lot of people and we will lose each other if we don't do this. This is the only video I have taken because taking videos here in Taj Mahal is prohibited. And ta-da! Taj Mahal is here! Next day, we are going to have our flight. We are going to the Odisha state. So we're taking the flight from New Delhi to Ranchi. We enjoyed traveling together even though it is very cold. See, my parents are feeling so cold, even me as well, freezing cold. These 2 friends of mine, I really had good time traveling with them because everything feels light when you are with them. No complaints, no stress, everything's just fine. After landing at Ranchi airport, now we're heading to the train station because we are going to Rourkela city. We will have a 2-hour journey to Rourkela. My parents were so amazed because it's their first time to be on a train and it's their first time to see a real train because we don't have like this in the Philippines, and it's so amazing for them to see and experience this. Also my friends in an Indian railway. So everything's very memorable. So we availed the AC seat and it's just 2 hours, so we didn't lay down on the couch. Good thing my friends are talkative and we just talked the whole journey and it was so fun. My mom is very tired now, look at her position, but still she manages to smile because we are just making fun of everything. It really feels so good traveling with friends and also with my parents. I'm so happy that I was able to take them to India. It's my second time here, and also we noticed that the sun here in India is so big. We don't know why. Maybe India is closer to the sun. But it's really amazing and it's really big. By the way, I took my parents and my friends here in India because of a special occasion. It is very important. Guess what? We are attending an Indian wedding. So that is why my family is complete. So I'm gonna show you in a while, but not in this video yet. Okay, so I will upload it next time. Did you see their son? It's so big, right? And I've never seen like this in the Philippines or in Thailand. Anyway, so we had our accommodation in Rourkela City, and it's a house. So we rested there because we arrived in the afternoon already. So our agenda the next few days, we're going to have our shopping and also tour in the city. We really enjoyed Rourkela City. That's why I have less clips there. So I'm so sorry. But we enjoyed shopping, especially my friends, because it's cheaper for them. As well as we roamed around the whole city. We visited a lot of temples. We tried their famous cuisines. It's so amazing and we really enjoyed, especially my parents. It's their first time there, and also my friends. So everything's good for us. Look at my friend talking to the cow, because there are a lot of cows here. They're just everywhere actually. So we're really amazed with that. Days are just passing by so quickly, and our trip to India has to end. It's so sad, but we really enjoyed, and in future we will come back. Just like what my friend said, they will do shopping again. So this is the Vande Bharat Express, which my friends and family took going to Kolkata, and from Kolkata they will have a flight to Manila. By the way, I mentioned to you earlier that we attended an Indian wedding. So here is a glimpse, just a glimpse of their reception party. It's so amazing, right? It's so beautiful, and we feel like we are the prince and princesses. So I'm gonna show you later. I don't know when, but let's see. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching my videos.